At Del Mar Vacations, we believe you should enjoy your vacation home without being your own property manager. With our 3 service packages we offer to you, we guarantee you'll get the peace of mind that your home is taken care of. Most homeowners rely on 5 to 10 different vendors to provide annual caretaking services like leaf cleanups, window washing, gardening services, rodent treatments, and more. Handling all of that can feel like a full-time job. With Del Mar, make just one call. With our 3 different service packages to choose from, you have the peace of mind knowing all of those necessary but frustrating details are covered. In other words, just set it and forget it. These service packages also make it easier on your wallet. We drive the costs down by training one team to do most of these services, so there are fewer visits and lower expenses for you. Our team does these services in the off-season, so guests staying at your home are not interrupted or experience complications with coordination. These service packages available to you are built around simplicity and trust. One reliable team, your Del Mar team, fully dedicated to caring for your home. Thank you for choosing Del Mar Vacations. You can pick the service package that best fits your home by logging into your homeowner portal or by contacting your client manager. If you have any questions at all, we're only an email or phone call away.